you doing? Nope, ain't got it. Well, I bet y'all been wondering what the hell's going on. We've been having issues. So as you can tell, I'm not in Big Red. Big Red had an issue. Remember a few videos back where I said I put 16 ply heavy duty steer tires on it? They're junk. 10 ounces of weight on one, 6 ounces of weight on the other, with Centromatic balancers on the front of the truck. It ate them. I can't afford to keep putting money into it and try to run it down the road. Had to park it. So right now it is back up in cold Wisconsin, and I kind of miss it because it's my hot rod, but I think we got something good here. Granted, I said I'd never go back into one of these, but I'll show you in a minute what the but is. Let's take a look. That's it. Not a bad price. She's got a few issues. But for the most part, it's a good truck. 400,000 miles. It's a 07. Yeah. There, I better. It's an 07 Volvo 780. Yes, it does have the Volvo crap motor in it, but as in one guy says, wonderful world of piles of shit. It does have a Volvo motor in it. Hopefully the wind is okay. But as you can tell, look at the front of that trailer. That is all from Big Red. All the grease, all the oil, everything. I'd seal a leak up and another one would come about. So I can't justify, God, I hope this wind is all right. I can't justify running it, coming home, justify running it, coming home. You can see all that crap on there. Justify running it, coming home, and working on it. Every freaking time I come home, I get no time to do anything. I'm under it. It's in the shop. I need a shop where I can put it into, and I can just start taking stuff apart on it, and I can fix it the right way instead of boogering it together and trying and hoping that it'll work, that it'll pass DOT. It got to the point of where there was so much oil leaking out of it. The last trip I took with it, I sat down in Tennessee on the way down to Atlanta. In fact, that's where I'm sitting at right now, is Atlanta. I'm gonna go back in the truck. This wind. Okay, there we go. So, I'm gonna set y'all back up on the dash. Much better. Put the thingy away. Oh, put it on the bed for right now. Okay. So, I need a place where I can take it apart, not have to worry about putting it back together so I can run it in 2 days, where I can take it apart, fix it the right way, and all that. That, and I've been looking at this truck for a while, so I kind of like this truck. Oh, the reason why I bought it. We got a Magic Stick, 13 speed, and it doesn't have DEF. It does have the EGR system. It does not have DEF. It is not a DEF truck. I stated I would never buy another DEF truck. It's not a DEF truck. And the price I got it for, let's just say I could have it paid off in 1.5 years. With the way I run, I could pay it off in 1.5 years. So I will have, well, I have 2 trucks again. Like I really need 2 trucks. I have 2 trucks again. So, like I said, I need a place where I can tear that thing apart, get under it, do everything I need to do. If I have to, pull the motor on it, which I don't think I'm going to have to pull the motor on it. I might, but I don't think I will. I think the oil cooler is leaking in that, but like I said, you got to have the right tool for the right job. And working in a parking lot just ain't the right job, the right tool for that job. So I need a place where I can work on it. So right now the bus, yep, still have the schoolie. The bus and Big Red are visiting each other. They are parked right next to each other in a new location. I had to move the bus, which that was fun. Felt like a kid in a candy store driving that thing down the road. All I could think about was building it out. And right now, it's wintertime up there, so granted it'd be the perfect time to do stuff up there on it, but it's sitting outside. And there's no electricity where I'm at. So I have 2 vehicles that I need some kind of shop space. Still looking. And I just can't justify $1,200 to $1,300 a month for some of these units that these people are building. No freaking way. I need to do the work, but I don't need to do it that bad. Like I said, got a few things that need to be done to this one. In that, but nothing major. Nothing major. Got all of our stuff in it. Got our cooler in it. We even got an extra fridge freezer right back here. Being a 780, it's got tons of room in it. We got the bed done right. Well, we'll have the bed done right. I got to get a piece of plywood to put down there because evidently the guy who had it prior to me getting it messed up the table, which is where the bed's at. So I have a bottle jack under it right now lifting it up so that I don't go like this when I sleep. But we've got her. There's a lot more room in here than there was in Big Red. I still miss Big Red though. The seat sits up too high. I need to go down lower. We'll get the shifter dealt with out here. Gotta have a long shifter. Gotta have the clutch checked out because every now and then it doesn't want to go into gear. So I think it's got a hydraulic clutch, so we gotta get that checked out. Just little stuff that previous drivers didn't fucking say nothing about. So, oh, I'm not gonna buy it. I'm not gonna keep it. So who gives a fuck? That I don't give a shit mentality. So but we've got a few irons in the fire. Been trying to talk to a few people, but I think I'm gonna have to talk to them off of YouTube in order to get down to the nitty gritty and shit like that, and talk to them about hauling. Because once this truck is paid for, I'm done. I'm out of here. The names are coming off the doors. What I'm going to do yet, I'm not sure, but I've been looking at a couple different things. One's Mercer, and the other one is another company out of Tennessee. But I'm just, a lot of places I'm going to won't let me video the loads. The only way I can video the load is if I'm off their property and there isn't anywhere to park off their property. I mean, you've seen the Texas load. Excuse me. You've seen the Texas load. Give me a minute. Whoa. Oh. Sorry about that. The dust. Oh my gosh, the dust is killing me. I'm freaking blowing my nose left and right. It ain't doing no good. There's so much dust in here, and this thing has been cleaned tremendously, and there's still so much dust in here. It ain't funny. Go down the road and it looks like a whirlpool in here. But we're getting her taken care of. But forgot what the fuck I was talking about. Brain fart. Oh, there's a few people I want to talk to and shit like that, and go from there. So, you guys have seen the Texas stuff. There's nothing special about that. Of course, the Sherman, the aluminum loads coming out of there, nothing special about that. I mean, you can't keep shooting the same shit every time. I mean, I went over to Grand Prairie this last time and loaded aluminum coils, stand-up aluminum coils for 46,000 pounds. Big coils. Big monster coils. Brought them over here to Georgia. So that gave us $4,700 for the week, which It ain't the greatest, but it works. I mean, I have a feeling with this truck I'll be able to do a lot more. And not have to worry about being down and that. I mean, I'm making a list of stuff that's wrong that needs to be dealt with when I get back up there, that to Dusty's or whatever. It's got a hell of an air leak. Shut the truck off, and it drops air quite quickly. In that, I don't think the air ride's set right, front and rear. That's about it. That's about it, believe it or not. Clutch, air leak, and air ride. That's about it. I mean, it. Oh, we need to clean out the EGR filter, the exhaust particulate filter on it, which that ain't no biggie. But for the most part, I fixed the cabinet that was busted in here. I'm going to take the TV bracket down because I don't use TVs in here. The inverter, it's got a built-in inverter in that, and something's wrong with it because it doesn't come on at all. So I went to Harbor Freight and grabbed a 2,000 watt inverter so I could power the microwave and stuff like that. Because I've still got everything in here that I had in Big Red as far as cooking and stuff like that. The barbecue's still on the trailer. I got the big Iceco in here. I got the microwave in here. Plus it's got an extra fridge freezer. I've got my one burner in here. I've got my I don't have the crock pot in here, but I do have the lunchbox cooker in here and that. So we stopped Alabama at Walmart to grab a little bit more food and stuff like that. So we are pretty much set up. I said I'm in Alabama, or I'm in Atlanta, or just north of Atlanta on 85 right now. It was kind of late by the time I got up to deliver, and people drive like idiots down here. They think this stretch from the lights to the get-on ramp is a drag strip. Why they think loud exhaust is cool. Pickup trucks, cars, they think loud exhaust is cool. It's annoying to me. But anyways, so that's it for right now. That's it for right now. Have a good one. Stay safe. I'll speak at y'all later.